Today, it's all about being healthy. But what about the air in our homes? Dust, dirt, pollen, and mold can make untreated indoor air up to 100 times worse than outdoor air. In fact, indoor air quality is one of the EPA's top 3 health concerns. Since we spend 90% of our time indoors, you'll be glad to know there are some great solutions. New air cleaners can remove bacteria, pollen, animal dander, and pollutants as small as 0.01 microns. Other products such as ventilators, humidifiers, UV lamps, air purifiers, and media filters can also improve your indoor air quality. These products can really help if you suffer from allergies or live in a home with pets, infants, or the elderly. They're all great, energy-efficient ways to make your home more comfortable and healthy.